So we are going to a party. I'm going to look at Jamaican Party. Is it? Okay, let me see what color. I'm gonna get the pink. I'll get the pink. Pink, right? Okay, so these are all the colors. As you can see, it's pink. You just hold it down. P.O.P. Hold it down. Oh, it's cold. I don't think I did this one properly. So I have all these items here. I'm gonna show you guys. Good morning. I am on my way to get an update on my braces, plus change the wire, rubber bands, change the color. Right now I have burgundy. Ooh, this sunscreen is bright on my face. But guys, it's 10:27. I'm supposed to go inside at 10:30. Why is it so dark outside? Why do I complain so much? Anyways, guys, happy new year. I'm just taking you guys with me to my orthodontics appointment. I'm usually earlier than this, I promise you. I'm usually like 30 minutes early, sitting in the parking lot. Still early, but I like to be inside like 10 minutes early. You can still see the puffiness, and so it's morning time. I just woke up not too long ago, took a shower, you know, do my skincare and stuff. But 10:28, let's go. Hopefully I can record, I could show you what she's doing. Thank you guys so much for all the love that you've been giving me on my previous uploads. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, stay tuned.
I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad.
The sunscreen and all the face things, all the face products on my face makes me look so greasy on camera. And it's like early morning, my face is still like puffy. Why am I finding all my flaws? Why do I do that? Every time I come on camera, I point out all my flaws before other people do. Yeah, the internet will do this to you, man. Social media, yeah, it will do this to you. Anyways, as you can see, I changed the colors from burgundy to pink. Now I have to change my nails because the holidays are over. I'm gonna match. I'm gonna take you guys with me when I'm changing my nails. Let's see. See, as you can see, it's pink. Listen, if I'm showing you guys my teeth, it's a big deal because baby, I don't show my teeth. So that means progress is making. That is why I'm showing you guys my teeth, because if it wasn't for seeing progress making, I would not be showing all my teeth. Oh, my day has skin teeth. I got work. Let's see if I can put you guys up here. Hopefully it's not dark. I'm gonna turn the car around. Let me put my GPS on for work. So I got braces September. It's now January. I'm 4 months into having braces. This is my 3rd visit after the first time getting braces. So first time getting braces, then I had 3 visits after that. Let's see if I can drive with the camera like this. Oh, GPS. Oh, I gotta go to work. I still gotta go to work. They're probably looking for me like, girl, how long is your appointment? And it's dark. Oh, so I'm 15 minutes away, so I'm gonna reach in time. I'ma still make it in time. But let's see if I could drive with you guys. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it while we drive. Oh, I could turn down here. I use that road there. No. Wait. Can I? Oh yeah. Now man, I don't need to fix that road here. Be a hole me a drop in a hell. I'm just so guys, I don't know. Back then I used to be scared of like dentists, doctors and stuff. But let me tell you the trick to all of this. When you find like a good dentist, a good orthodontist, a good OBGYN, you know, just a good primary doctor, like makes you feel welcome in their office, you'll just feel so good walking in, you know. I didn't even put it on camera when the orthodontist, she is so sweet, Dr. B, she is so sweet, the sweetest lady ever, you know, young. I think she just got engaged as well, like recently. She recently got engaged as well. She's planning her wedding and stuff, and we were talking and she's asking me about like my New Year's goals and stuff. Like she having conversation with me, you know. She's so busy. She's going from one person to the next, just like, you know, going from one room to the next and stuff, but she still find the time to engage with her patients. Go, because it's one thing. And then when I drive like when they're not gonna win. I have to go to her. I don't know about y'all. Okay, see, you need to go nowhere. Take it and make me go on. Yeah, turn right to see. Anyways, see, the camera keep getting dark and then it when I know my look. The good thing is when I know my look. So sometimes I want to see how I look somewhere on the camera and that's how I'm looking in real life. Where you going? But like I was saying, she was like talking to me, you know, saying she works out in the morning before she comes to work and stuff like that. And me hearing that, that's what I want to hear, because that's what I also want to do. And you know, she was so excited for me. As you guys know, I just got engaged, so she was so excited for me and, you know, stuff like that. She was talking to me about like social media, the good and the bad about it. You know, just like we were just having conversation, and then after that we were talking about my teeth and the progress and what we're gonna do next and the adjustments and yeah. Oh my gosh. I turn in. See, because I'm recording, I passed my exit. All these notifications coming in on my phone and none of them is from YouTube. I don't want to see email, Instagram. I want to see YouTube. Like when I see YouTube notification, I get excited. But when I see all these notifications coming in while I'm driving, like, stop. I want to see YouTube. YouTube is my favorite platform. It's my favorite app. Not because I am a YouTuber. Why I say that, I literally just watch YouTube videos. I don't watch the TV. No, I'll just sit and watch YouTube videos all day, every day. So that's why I like to get notification from YouTube. I like to get notification from my favorite YouTubers when they upload. I like to get notification from my subscribers that they saw it was 26th Street. See, I would have been reach at work already, but I'm past my exit and no, I'm going in a circle. But I like to get notification like comments from my subscribers, and you know, like likes and share and something. Okay, don't pass 26th Street no. Don't pass 26th Street. If you guys can see me. Bruh, I'm in the neck. I don't even want to tell you guys where I'm at, because all I can say is where I'm at ain't no black people. Ain't no black people. It's just you, yourself, and you. I'm so stupid. Nobody my skin color is here, baby. It's just like country. You see these people backyards. These people backyards are farms with horses. This is like an area where people ride their horses on the road. yeah, I ain't gotta say it. It's fine, they understand. Gotta get to work. And I feel tender though. I'm sorry for the people who are here to see the before of my teeth. That's never gonna happen. Okay, I cannot show you guys the before. I am so sorry. Yeah, I cannot show you guys the before. It's not embarrassing, it's just that I don't have the 14th street. I don't have the confidence to show it. Like I just don't. See, farms over there, family farms, barns. Oh my gosh, I should show you guys. You know what, I can't show you guys, but should I eat a snack before going in? Knowing me, I'm gonna eat a snack before I walk in. Your girl about to eat a snack before walking in, because baby, it's not that I don't care. It's just like, I'm gonna eat a snack. I'm gonna eat my pineapple. Yeah, I'm gonna eat a snack before I go in, period. Let me park. Hey guys, I'm back. Just got home from work. It's the same day after going to the orthodontist. And remember how I was vlogging earlier and I was complaining how dark it was while vlogging in the car? So I just remembered that this is my problem. I buy stuff and then I forget that I buy these things. I ordered this off of Amazon and I never opened it. I never used it. I never opened it. And then when I got home, I was like, oh yeah, this is good to use on my camera or phone when, you know, I'm in like a dark space. So right now I'm vlogging in a dark space because I want to see how bright this is once I open it. I ripped the plastic off just now. I was like, why not just vlog this? Oh, I need to get my nails done. Yeah, so I ripped the plastic off, but I didn't take the stuff out. So something just dropped out. Hopefully I don't have to charge it. I can just like test it out right now to see what it's like. What is, oh, it has some buttons here. Oh, on, wait, oh, so I got to charge this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it tells you, oh, this is the volume for how high you want it, or so it's a mobile phone LED light. Bruh, I got a charge. Like, I couldn't make it have like a charge. Oh, this is the little clip. Oh, so you just screw, okay, so you just screw it onto here. Let me get my phone. And then, oh, fancy, but now I need it to turn on. What is now? What is this? A or B? It says, I don't know. It says A or B. Damn, my hands always come on camera with my, by now y'all just give me a new name. Just call me Ashy. With my ashy hands, like hold up on my phone. What the fucking neighborhoods? Guys, when I figure this out, I come back and show you guys how this works, because I just got home, took a shower, forgot to lotion and yeah, I'm hungry. And this thing, all right, let me see a piece of paper on here. Oh shoot, maybe I wasn't supposed to do that. But usually when you buy these things, they already come like you at least a little bit of charge. Or maybe it's not working. Oh boy, be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. See, this is what happens when you don't have any patience and you don't read, because it clearly says the thing that I asked you guys about, that's a phone holder, and then you have like, it tells you everything here. Sometimes we don't like to read the little manual, but everything is here. And like I said, the power button is right here. This little thing, that's the power button. You just hold it down. P.O.P. Hold it down. It's about right. Okay, you could turn it down or go. Oh, you got, okay, I like this. Hey KK squad, so I am back from a nap. Yes, I went and took a nap because a girl was really tired. Alright, so I was testing out the light on my phone. I'm using my camera right now. My mouth feels dry. Braces. I'm gonna try the light on my camera to see. I mean, it's bright. I don't know. Guys, let me know what you think of the lighting. Like, if I have to find like a different spot in the house. Like, I'm trying to find, I don't know. Just let me know what you think about the lighting. So turn it on. Ooh. And I'm gonna pin this part on the camera. Hold up. I don't know, does it make it any brighter? Once I'm editing this video, I'll know if it makes the lighting any better. I can't see, I can barely see. I think it gives some type of, I think it do give off like, yeah, maybe, I don't know. All right, as you guys know, I introduced you to my eye mask from Faded Topical. I'm gonna use a pair because, you know, just woke up, eyes are puffy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys remember this from my last two videos, or the second to last video. But since I'm here trying to test out this ring light type of selfie light, why not? All right guys, this is how they look. Like I said, I keep them in the fridge. I love them. Does it have a smell? I usually do this in the mirror, guys. I'm doing it on camera and I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, it's cold. I was supposed to take my hair out today, but so much going on at once, guys. I don't think I did this one properly. Let me see how it looks without the light. What do you guys think? With the light, without the light? Alright guys, so I am on my phone, you know, with the Snapchat filter, pretending I'm in the party, using my selfie light. What you think? Is the light giving? Is it giving? Let me know. I'm in the party. I'm using my selfie light. Well, yeah, selfie light on my phone. Is it giving? Let me know, KK squad. You know the girlies, we be on Snapchat with the Snapchat filters, outside having fun. So that's the test run. So this is how I wear it. I wear it for, I don't wear them for more than an hour. Alright guys, so in the meantime, I have a couple packages here from Shein, as usual. I'm just gonna open them while on camera, why not? And most of these things that I buy from Shein is always like loungewear or something that I'll wear to work. You know, it's not like for dressing up purposes. So as you can see, I have one bag here and another small bag. Alright guys, so I have all these items here. I'm gonna show you guys. Woohoo! Okay guys, so I got me some sweaters, but this time I got medium size because I like my sweaters baggy and comfy, especially when I'm at work. So most of the time I'm gonna be wearing these at work with like a dress pants or something. So what does this say? So this is a Bible verse. Created with a purpose, and it's the color gray, size medium. Created with a purpose, Ephesians 2 verses 10. This is just a pants, like a, you know those loose pants. I already have one, but it's too big, so I bought an extra small. It's one of those loose fitted pants, like, you know, that you could wear with crop top, but I might wear this to work as well. I already have one in small, but I need it a little bit smaller. I'm not gonna be trying these on. I'm just showing you a couple pieces that I got really quick, you know. I really wanted to test out the light to show you guys, but I don't know. But when I'm editing the video, I'll know how it looks, if for my next video I should actually use it, or yeah. So this is size medium as well, another sweater, color black. This says, oh, this is so cute. I don't remember getting this one, but it's cute. It says Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. That is who, my God, you are. Oh my gosh, I like this. See, Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. My God. Wait, sis. Wait, sis. I'm trying to read it through the camera. It says, my God, that is who you are. My God, that is who you are. So cute. The one you look big though. The one you look like mega last night. I like my sweaters baggy, so it's okay. Oh, I remember this one. Like I order stuff sometimes just to order, like, and I don't remember what I order. By the way, guys, I'm 5'2". She's 5'2", but I want you. I'm trying to remember. I don't know if he said she's fine too or she's 5'2". That's been a debate for years, but she's 5'2", but I want you. All right, short girls. All right, let me see where the little small words say. God only let things grow until they're perfect. Some of us didn't take as long as others. It says short girls. God only let things grow until they're perfect. Some of us didn't take as long as others. Yeah. God only let things grow until they're perfect. And guess what? Shein be coming through with these sweaters. This is a sweatpants. I already have this in. I already have a black one, but this one has like pattern, like it says something on it. Let's see. I really need glasses because I can't see through the camera. Do what makes you happy. No, wait. That's this not. Oh yeah, this is it. This is the one. That's what I was about to say. I was about to say it's not the one I ordered, because I remember it had the lightning on the leg, like a lightning, see? So it looks like this. This is size, all my sweaters are size medium. This is a size small. Do what makes you happy. This is it. Oh, these are like shapewears. I don't know, I just saw them. They were like $5 and I said I want to try them. You know, shapewear. I bought one is small and one is extra small to see which one fit, because I don't know which one is gonna really fit. I got me some shapewears. Let's see what they're about. I feel like this one, this is the extra small. extra small shapewear. And this is the small, but this one is made a little different. This one you have to hook it up here. I think this one comes up more higher than the extra small. Should I put the links for like the items that I be getting from Shein? Usually when I do a Shein haul, I'll put the links in the description, but because it's a vlog and I'm just showing you a few items, let me know if I should still put the links. If anybody's interested, let me know. Yay. Oh, one last thing. I already have this in white and I got it in a black. Just a simple little bag. Y'all know I love my Coach purses and all them other stuff, but you know, to do quick errands, this is a nice little bag. It comes with the straps. I already have this in white, like I said, and it has the coin purse as well. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Hey KK squad, so we are going to a party. We're going to look at Jamaican Party. Is it? This is the fit. If you want to look cool, come on the journey with us. How much?
Shout out to all the white kids in the building right now. Where's that?
Hey KK squad, so it's the next day. Well, it's 24 hours later after the party. I woke up this morning with a bad hangover. I am, I'm feeling better now, so now I can close out the vlog. Last night we had a time, and when I say we had a time, it's not that the party was fun, because it wasn't. We had a time because we enjoy each other's company. We don't care what's going on around us. We know we're gonna make the best out of the event and enjoy it our way. As you can see, I'm taking out the braids. I'm here taking out the braids, and I'm like, oh, I didn't close out the vlog. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I also took off my nails. I also took off the nails too. I'm done with the Christmas nails, the Christmas hair. Yeah, it's time to move forward for 2024 and get all cute again in a different way. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.